It's a video of a dirty flame sensor. This is how your furnace is going to sound if your flame sensor is dirty. See how we're fired up and then it shut back off? It'll actually fire up, but it'll shut right back off. Just take a look. Look at it. Okay, now you see how that shuts on and off? Now right here in this video, I was just showing you. So I unplugged the flame sensor so you can see what it sounds like when that flame sensor is actually dirty or needs to be cleaned. Now I'm gonna plug it back in. I'm recommending that you get a HVAC certified professional to go in there and clean it for you so you won't get hurt. There's a lot of things in there that can hurt you. Take care.